Hi, I'm Natasha Frakes, and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us is Brian Marr, President, CEO, and Director of PPX Mining. Thank you so much for being here.
Great to be here.
So we've seen some very exciting results out of Igor lately. Can you provide us with an update on the drilling program?
Absolutely. At our flagship Igor project in Northern Peru, we have been putting out some outstanding drill results over the last 6 months. But I'd like to make a special emphasis on the results from the Portezuelos area, over a kilometer south of the Cayanquitas mine. There we've intersected thick zones of low gold and silver grade breccias, but these are thick, 40 meters, 25 meters with grades between 0.7 and 0.9 grams per ton gold equivalent, very near surface, open along strike, and open at depth. We've planned additional drilling in this area, which is already confirming that this breccia system is quite large. And what these drill holes are doing are starting to validate the thesis that the Igor project is a multi-deposit district. Yes, we have Mina Cayanquitas, but now we have this new area, Portezuelos, and we're waiting to drill yet a third target, Tesoros, add in the fourth, Domo, and we're starting to outline multiple deposits within the Igor project, establishing that it truly is a district-scale project.
So how do you expect successful drilling outside the known resource area to influence plans going forward?
Well, right now, of course, we're continuing to develop the underground mine at Cayanquitas. But when we really look to the future of the company, it's going to be important to have additional resources for future exploitation. And so I think it's actually going to have a huge impact on the future of the company. The ability in the future to have multiple mines exploiting multiple deposits throughout the project, that really could build PPX from being a one-mine company into a multi-mine company producing 150,000 ounces a year at some point in the future. That's a goal for us.
So do you see the Igor project evolving into a true district-scale gold and silver exploration and development opportunity?
When we look at our neighbors in the area, the Yanacocha district, what Tahoe Resources has done with La Reina and Shahuindo, that's the pattern we see, that you control a large chunk of a mineralized belt, and then through systematic exploration, you start developing multiple deposits. And now with our drilling program ongoing, that seems to be what we're doing at Igor. So now it becomes the Cayanquitas deposit. We're finding something at Portezuelos, which may evolve into another deposit. And then of course we have Domo and Tesoros. So the potential to have 4 separate deposits, that could really help this company grow in the future, build the resource base, and really provide a potential for building multiple mines within our project area.
And can you give us an update on the Cayanquitas deposit and what you're doing with the underground test mining and bulk sampling program?
Yes, that program has exceeded our expectations. To date, we've mined over 13,000 tons of bulk sample, processed that material, and recovered gold and silver from that. What does that do for the company? It gives us detailed metallurgical data on how this mineralization performs under actual mining and processing conditions. All of that information will be used in our pre-feasibility study, or PFS, which will be due out late March or April of this year. We're really excited about that document because what that will do is outline the project economics, what the future production could look like, what the cash costs will be, and indeed, what will the future of Mina Cayanquitas look like. Also, we've been doing infill drilling to support the resource reassessment and reserve estimate that will come out of the PFS. The results we've seen, 3.3 meters grading over 30 grams per ton gold equivalent. This is expanding the size of the resource at Mina Cayanquitas, and that really bodes well for the future of the project.
So with the exploration and mine development moving forward so quickly, what can investors look forward to?
I think we're going to have a great flow of news this year. First and foremost, continue our drilling program. These drill holes that we're seeing in the Portezuelo area and that we will be seeing in the Tesoros area in the near future, these will start to outline these new deposits in the district. However, the PFS on Mina Cayanquitas, expected again late March, April of this year, will really put the economics on paper of what that mine can look like, what the production profile will be, and how low will the mining costs be. All of those together will start to establish PPX as really a growing mining company with multiple deposits.
It sounds like there's a lot to look forward to. Brian, thank you so much for being here.
Pleasure.